Hi.
Hi.
Did you have fun in the pool? What do you want to do now? Do you want to take a nap? Hey Brady, how old are you?
6.
6? Are you 6 years old?
Yep. I've been staying at school now. I stayed down to school yesterday.
You want to go to school?
It is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 at school.
Yeah, you'll learn your counting and your ABCs.
Yep. Taking my shoes off.
Oh, you're taking your shoes off?
Yep.
Okay. Say bye. Do you need some help?
Yep.
Looks like you got it.
I'm taking help.
Okay, I'll help you. There we go.
That's my
Say bye.
Bye.